Hello and welcome to English Time YouTube channel. Today we will learn 13 useful Urdu to English sentences. So without wasting your important time, let's get started. Number 1. मुझे 2 मिनट दो. Give me 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. हम फिर खेलेंगे. Then we will play. Then we will play. मुझसे झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. तुमने क्या खाया? What did you eat? What did you eat? मुझे तंग मत करो. Don't bother me. Don't bother me. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? तुम्हें पानी चाहिए? Do you want water? Do you want water? बैठकर पानी पियो. Drink water while sitting. Drink water while sitting. ये चोट कैसी आई? How did it hurt? How did it hurt? अपना सर सीधा रखो. Keep your head straight. Keep your head straight. बातें करना बंद कर दो. Stop talking. Stop talking. क्या तुम बीमार हो? Are you sick or ill? Are you sick? Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more and interesting videos. Allah Hafiz.